Hi there, Miss Thais here. Today we are going to learn some farm animals in Spanish. Cow, vaca, pig, cochino, cat, gato, chicken, pollo, duck, pato, horse, caballo, sheep, oveja, turkey, pavo, donkey, burro, dog, perro, goat, cabra, frog, rana, chick, pollito, goose, ganso, mouse, ratón. Practice at home. Bye-bye.